Start. Start. My dear students, it is my pleasure to speak few words on this difficult situation where we are unable to conduct formal teaching in the college. The rapidly developing corona crisis is dominating the global headlines and altering life as we know it. Some 190 countries across the globe have closed their schools and colleges to stop the spread of coronavirus. This has forced an estimated 1.5 billion learners to stay at home. Millions of students are rapidly adjusting to learning and socializing remotely, spending more time with family and sacrificing comfort and convenience for the greater cause. UNESCO is now calling on learners, teachers, and parents from around the world to record and share short videos on their social media channels using the hashtag #LearningNeverStops to tell the world how they are keeping up with their education and handling this unprecedented education interruption. Their message of hope will inspire many others during this difficult situation. The coronavirus has changed how we work, play, and learn. Our lives have changed dramatically during the COVID-19 pandemic, and it can feel a little overwhelming at times. Students around the world are feeling the extraordinary ripple effect of the novel coronavirus as colleges are shutting down and quarantine methods are being ordered to cope with the global pandemic. While the governments and health officials are doing their best slowing down the outbreak, global education system are collaborating and collectively respond and provide quality education for all during these difficult times. As teachers, our job is to help everyone in providing quality education for all, even in these exceptional times. These times, keeping our minds engaged is very important. The academic year still has more days to go. In order to keep our students busy, a remote learning method has been followed to ensure the continuity of teaching and learning process until the pandemic year ends. Though the department is missing students and in-person teaching, a number of study materials like videos and books have been uploaded in YouTube, and information regarding webinars around the country related to the subject matters are circulated. The department is also conducting webinars through Skype, Zoom, WhatsApp, etc. The department also has taken initiative to have group discussion along with the subject experts and teachers in order to motivate our students for the continued learning process during COVID-19 pandemic lockdown period. The Department of Postgraduate Studies in Geology in Veer Shaiva College, Ballari, from the coordinator desk, we have set 5-point learning system. Majority followed in UNESCO during the lockdown period to help the students to understand the subject and preparing for their upcoming examinations. Point 1. Set your goals and define the purpose with teachers to focus on. Point 2. Use DLS, diverse learning strategies, method for learning. Maintain ICR, that is, invite, challenge, and respond to understand better. Point 4, maintain PCC, participation, collaboration, and creativity. Point 5, maintain CLP, customized learning process. These are very simple yet effective solutions, provide support learners and help them navigate a plethora of challenges facing education because of COVID-19 pandemic shutdown. I remember one of my friends quote, I quote, I know that we are all living in difficult times, but remember that after the rain, there is always a rainbow, unquote, she says. Dear students, tomorrow's learning is being showcased today. We all have opportunity to prepare ourselves for tomorrow and to be one of the change agents heading towards future. I wish all of you a fruitful and unforgettable experience in learning in these tough days and explore the trends in education, make new friends with people with common goals. Coronavirus might be tough, but we are tougher. Never lose hope, be strong, and take care of yourself. Thank you, one and all.